Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you the 3D model of bacterial cell that I made and the function for each parts of the cell. But first, let me show you how I made this 3D model of bacterial cell. And now I'm gonna share with you the functions of each parts of the cell. The first part is the capsule. This is the outer layer of bacterial cell. This capsule is made of polysaccharides, and this capsule plays a lot of roles, but the main role of this part are to keep the bacterium from drying out and also to protect the bacterium from phagocytosis by larger microorganisms. And lastly, a capsule protects cell from desiccation and toxic metabolites in the environment. Second is the cell wall. Each bacterium is enclosed by a rigid cell wall composed of peptidoglycan, a protein sugar molecule. This cell wall gives the cell its shape and surrounds the cytoplasmic membrane, protecting it from the environment. It also helps to anchor appendages like the pili and flagella, which originate in the cytoplasm membrane and protrude through the wall to the outside. And lastly, the strength of the wall is responsible for keeping the cell from bursting when there are large differences in osmotic pressure between the cytoplasm and the environment. And next is the cytoplasmic membrane, also called as plasma membrane. It is composed of phospholipids and proteins. This encloses the interior of bacterium, and its main function is to regulate the flow of materials in and out of the cell. Membranes are also dynamic. It constantly adapts to different conditions. Next part is cytoplasm. This is where the functions for cell growth, metabolism, and replication are carried out. It is a gel-like matrix composed of water, enzymes, nutrients, waste, and gases, and it contains cell structures such as ribosomes, chromosomes, and plasmids. The cytoplasm acts as a buffer and protects the genetic material of the cell and also the cellular organelles from damage caused due to movement and collision with the other cells. And next is flagella. It is a hair-like structures that provide a means of locomotion for those bacteria that have them, and it also often functions as a sensory organelle, being sensitive to chemicals and temperatures outside the cell. They can be found at either or both ends of the bacterium or all over its surface. This part is the nucleoid. The nucleoid is essential for controlling the activity of the cell and reproduction. It is where the transcription and replication of DNA takes place. Next is pili. These outgrowths assist the bacteria in attaching to other cells and surfaces, such as teeth, intestines, and rocks. Without pili, many disease-causing bacteria lose their ability to infect because they are unable to attach to host tissue. Specialized pili are used for conjugation during which two bacteria exchange fragments of plasmid's DNA. And the last part is ribosomes. They translate the genetic code from the molecular language of nucleic acid to that of amino acids, the building blocks of proteins. Proteins are the molecules that perform all the functions of cells and living organisms. And that is all for the video. Thank you for watching and have a good day.